Hi guys, Janine here. I'm super excited. I've never done this before. I'm going to do a food haul from Aldi's because I went to get one or two items and I went crazy. I love that store. I forgot how excellent the prices are. I saved the receipt. I'm going to put my glasses on and go through them as they come up on the receipt if we can. Let me just get my glasses. Here they are. Okay, you're not going to believe this. And that'll give you some ideas too, because I spent a total of $83. Okay, you know I can make at least 8 dinners out of this, or 10, about 10 dinners. So you're talking $8 a dinner, okay, for me and Vinny. And that's $83. He's always got this running argument with me that I can't feed us for $40 a week. I can feed us for $30 a week if I wanted. I really could. And if he ever challenges me again or anybody thinks I can't, I will list everything and the meals to make with the food I tell you to buy. That's how certain I am of it. Because, we have meatless Mondays twice a week. We try not to eat meat because it's just healthier for you. But in any event, here we go. Aldi's, and this is in Florida. Okay. So I live near one in New York. There's one in Mineola that just opened. I went there once. It wasn't as crazy about it as the one here because the things vary from store to store. But let me get fast through because I want to do the meat first because it has to get in the refrigerator. So let's see. I got this. I know how much this was. This is the ground pork. And this is never any antibiotics, no added hormones, all natural. Pork, 1 pound, $3.49. Okay. If I want, I could split this into two meals. I really could. I can make half of it into a pasta dish, and the other half I can make sausage quesadillas, sausage scrambled omelet. I might do that with that. Let me put that aside. My spare ribs. I did a rack of these for about $10 on Janine's Kitchen. If you go over and look and see the size of it, and that's what generated the idea to make my own barbecue sauce, to do all of this, ta da 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 da. I went today, I wasn't even looking for them, but I grabbed them because, get it while it's there. These are the baby back pork ribs. Everybody knows how expensive these are. This rack it's too much for me and Benny. We never can finish it. But this would be at least $20. I saw a piece comparable to this, $22 the other day in Publix. Guess what I paid? $8.87. Okay. I didn't have plans for them. I wasn't planning on doing pork, but I said, this is how you shop. I mean, this could feed a family of four. $8.87. Aldi's baby backs, not just country style. Okay. Where is his marked price on here? So it's easy. Wild caught Pacific cod. Look how beautiful. Look, there's like three pieces in here. I'm probably going to do this today on Janine's Kitchen, Italian style, with some things I got here. I went out looking for tilapia, which I'm going to continue to do. I'll make another recipe of that. But this is fantastic. $7.37. Where you get in wild caught codfish for $7.37. You can't even get one takeout order of fish and chips, and it's crappy. You don't know what quality you're getting. I love to do my own. That's why I started cooking as much as I do and do the channels, because it's just to me, it's the beginning of a healthy lifestyle. Less processed food, less takeout food, less food with additives and such is always going to keep you healthier. It's just a great thing to do. Okay, so Pacific cod portions, $7.37. Dinner for me and Vinny, a healthy fish dinner. Okay, that's that. Okay, this excites me because I've never seen this at this price. I know a small box is $11 at Publix. Lobster mac and cheese, okay? In 18-ounce package. 9 ounces is plenty for me if I need to share this with a salad. Cucumber salad, something simple, maybe some beets like we did the other day. I don't know. But it's premium lobster and cavatappi pasta blended with cheddar, fontina, and Asiago cheeses and topped with breadcrumbs. This is delish. And this was, let me find it on here because it's not marked. I grabbed it because it was under $10. Okay, where are you? Mini cucumber. Okay, $7.49. You know this is a $10.49 at Publix and rising, and it's not as good. Okay, let me just throw those things in the freeze and fridge for a sec, okay? Because I'm fussy like that. You know how I go crazy about my fish being left out or anything that has to go freezer. The lobster mac got to go in the freezer right away. I get nervous. I got to put this stuff in the fridge, the spare ribs and the pork. Okay, let me get that on. And the produce will proceed. This is fantastic. I'm telling you, I cannot believe the score. $83. I would have spent 150 and got out of Publix with not as great. Okay, let's see these lemons. They on here? Where's my lemons? They were $2.89 or something. Garlic, mini cucumbers. You know what? I'm going to read from the receipt in my excitement, and I think that'll be an easier way to go through what we got and how to. I tell you, I never did a haul. Okay, this is my first. Okay, grape tomatoes. Look how sweet and red these are. Usually, I don't ever see them this sweet and this good in this size. These are fabulous. These would make any. I could do a pasta dish with just these. Honestly, that's what I'm saying. I could turn this into 10 dinners. All right, grape tomatoes. They were $2.29. You know these are $4.49 elsewhere. Okay, they just are. I shop everywhere. I know everybody's stuff. Okay, what's next? Peeled garlic. Okay, garlic is getting pricey. That's why I try to show everybody to chop it, to freeze it, to blend it, to puree it, so that when you're cooking, you pull it out. Boom, 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 boom. Garlic in itself is a spaghetti with oil and garlic. Aglio olio. That's a dinner. Okay, it's precious and it's expensive. So I got this whole bag peeled already. If I want to cook with it tonight, I'm going to use some in the fish, and then I'm going to portion it out to my little cups and freeze it. But in any event, it was $2.69. This would have been. It's. I know for a fact it's $4.79 at Publix. Okay, and it was $2.69. That's that. Okay, mini cucumbers. Now you know your girl got crazy excited about these. These are the $5 at Publix a bag. A bag. And I got two beautiful bags. Look, they look like pickles already. Look at the lines in them. I'm just so digging these. These are really up there at my speed. Mini cucumbers, concumbre, I don't know. Nature's Sweet. I don't know, the whole family where they come from. This is the best. I'm going to do a whole big batch of my pickles. How much were they? Okay, two. They were $1.89 each bag. They're $5 at Publix. I got both of those bags, which actually look a little fuller, for $3.78. Yes, I'm excited because I just made them and I love them. Okay, another biggie that I buy constantly because we eat it as snacks. We just had it yesterday in our soup with the ramen. Celery hearts. Celery hearts are getting up there in price. A bag like this could easily go for $4.79, $4.59. What did I pay? $2.49. Okay, guys, $2.49. Got a double pack here. I'm going to clean them up, chop them up. I love them just with cottage cheese and salt and pepper. Yum. Great snack. That's like a lunch for me, honestly. Piece of fruit in that, some apple slices. Okay, the hearts. Lemons. Lemons I use constantly. Lemons are expensive. They're $1 each at Publix. They go down to 91 cents sometimes. This, I got a bag, 4 beauties, okay? 4 beauties, and they were $2.89. So they're about 75 cents or more, still a little less, maybe 70. Let's see, 2.89, that's 50 and 20, about 70 cents a piece. It's still cheaper. Still cheaper. Lemons, that's a great one. Okay, bagged avocados. Where's my bagged avocados? Okay, now these are a name brand. These are petite avocado, mini avocados from Del Monte, we all know and love. Okay, this is a big thing. And there's six bagged avocados by Del Monte. Okay, they're a little smaller, but there's 6 of them, and it was $2.29. Okay, this is a meal with salad or whatever, guacamole, snack time. This is 2 meals in this bag, 3. Okay, what else do I got? Carrots. I just learned on myself Thanksgiving we did a portion. I did a portion of them. Nobody else is cooking here. I made them for Vin and me, and I made my own concoction how to saute and caramelize them. I with brown sugar and all this and that, whatever. Delicious, absolutely delicious. Now this is a whole 32-ounce bag. That's big. 32-ounce bag. $1.39. Come on now, people. $1.39. You're not getting fresh vegetables anywhere. You can't get a can of decent, and the canned carrots aren't as good as the fresh. The beets are a different story. Carrots, not sure. Something for me to Google. But in any event, I think this is fabulous for $1.39. Okay, it could be a salad, could be a side dish. There's 2 meals in that bag alone. Okay, what else? This excited me. I know. I hope my other foodies are out there as excited as I am. Please say yes. Comment in the comments. Say something. Don't leave me hanging out here. I think this is the hoot. Okay, a whole bag. Brussels sprouts, $2.29. Okay, the little container, Publix is like $4 and change. And guess what? I'm gonna hold them up close as you can see because they caught my eye. I was buying something else. Look how fresh and beautiful these are. Okay, and I got one thing I did get on sale at Publix last week was bacon. 2 pounds I bought, and I cut it up into half pounds. I have 4 half pounds. So 1/2 pound sauteed with these. It's a nice side dish. Okay, what else? Okay, Brussels flat leaf. Oh, flat leaf spinach. I love spinach. I can eat the whole bag. This is a $3, $2.99 at Publix for this exact size bag. No better of a brand or whatever have you. And I paid $1.49. Half the cost. I don't know why everybody doesn't shop at Aldi's. Maybe everybody doesn't have it near them. I shouldn't be so assuming. I apologize if you don't have Aldi's near you. I really do because it's fabulous. I didn't know about it till I came to Florida. My cousin showed me. Okay. Sweet onions. Oh, sweet onions. 2 pounds, 2 pound bag. These are 4 beautiful, I don't know, also sweet onions. You know, I use a lot of them. In everything I cook, I just use them a half an onion to saute in shepherd's pie. Okay, these were $2.49. Okay. But what's good about this is they're bigger and I'll use more of them. I'll get double the amount out of it. So that's still a great price. And they had other ones there for cheaper. I just was attracted to those for some reason. They looked sweet and they were saying it. Okay, green onions. I bought these. You know, I have to replace my windowsill ones that are growing because I depleted them. One soup yesterday and they're gone. So I invested in a brand new pack. Okay, these are going to go right into a glass with water. And these were 85 cents. Okay, 85 cents. Okay, and another thing I got to go with all this wonderful food was wine. Vinny loves this Italian Pinot Grigio from there. It's from Italy. It's the big bottle. I got 2 of those, and these are $9.99 there. Let me tell you something. The large bottles are all over $14. The Mezza Corona Pinot Grigio is like $14.39. Sometimes they give you a dollar coupon at Publix. Very pricey it's getting. We eat it. We eat it. We drink it every day. And you know what a little white whiner I am. But I do prefer red is my preference. And I got a bottle of this. I got one because I try to watch my calories. The red is pretty heavy. And I watch myself, but I do love it. I absolutely love it. Like tonight with the fish, I'll probably have the white wine. But if I was doing a bolognese spaghetti or a pasta with red sauce, I want a glass of red wine. Cabernet is my fave. And this Bear Brothers, let's see. This Bear Brothers was $8.99. Come on. You can't get a good cab under $10, $12. And even the $10 that we used to get are now 13 and upwards. I remember you could get Josh for $8.99. Josh is $13 now. Okay? It's an okay cab, but I mean, it's nothing great. All right, ladies and gents, that was my food haul. I'm super excited. And this morning I woke up to remember Jenny Can Cook? Love her. Sometimes I research through her videos of what to do. I did the artisanal bread with her recipe, and I'm bringing to you the next one. She made her own flour tortillas. I've never done that. I want to do that. So I'll probably be bringing that next. Did the haul for now, and I'm thinking of some shorties and fun stuff that I could do for you guys. And I just love it. I love it. And I love all the subscribers. Thank you. Please keep coming. Keep hitting that button and subscribe.